All right, here we are again on the Landau 1680. Going to show you just some products that I'm going to be putting on there, which I have already done this, the aircraft remover and Rust-Oleum. There were some other products, but I couldn't find them unless I had to order them, and I wanted to get it done during the weekend, so I went to Advanced Auto, and they had them in stock. Which this stuff took the paint off like crazy. As soon as I did a little test thing with a just a little stick, put some on there, and by the time I put the stick on, just rubbed a little bit on, put the canister back on the ground, it had already started bubbling up. So I was very impressed. There are some issues and some places on there that were stuck, but really it just came off easy. Highly recommend that. I've got a few small little holes in the transom, little pinholes, but I bought this earlier because I thought I was going to have to fix some larger holes. It's a Evercut metal to metal reinforced body filler. It comes with a hardener, and you don't have to mix the whole thing. The instructions said you can mix a golf size ball size of putty, mix some hardener in there, squish it together, and use that. So I'll have that, and I'll have some extra just in case when I flip it over, if I find some more holes on the inside or something else I want to build up, I can use that. Hopefully today we are going to use this Steel Flex. I've got the bottom upside down. I've got one or two more channels to hit with the grinder sander, 36 grit, kind of scuffing it up, making it look rough. Based on the instructions, they said not to sand it smooth, but have it rough looking. So I ran my sandpaper on the grinder, ran out, went to Harbor Freight, picked up another one for $2.99 or some change, and we're going to hit that with the grinder and hopefully put this on the bottom. Now I've got more. I've got three pints sections of this, because each pint, the guy said on the website, and double check, he said it would cover 90 square feet. So I've got an 18 by 60, and it ran into where I would just need just over 2 pints. So in order not to stretch it out, or if I might coat some on the side, I might put a little bit on the back, I'm not sure. I want to have some extra just in case. One video I saw, the guy said to buy the pints, not the gallon, because he bought the gallon and kind of had a time with it. He used a drill, like a paint mixer. Also read on the website, they said don't use a paint mixer, mix it by hand. Paint mixer, put the bubbles in there. Bubbles will make it dry faster, and your your dry time's shorter, so you got to work it faster. And I wish I'd bought the gallon. It would have been a lot cheaper on me, but I'd already bought this after I'd read that about you can mix it in a little bucket separately and kind of work it that way, and it doesn't dry as fast as the guy on the website, the YouTube video did it. But anyway, I already ordered it, so I'm going for it. Once I flip the boat over, I'm going to put some glue it on the seams, any rivets, anything I see that might need it. I'm going to put that on there. I don't think it leaks, and the previous owner said he saw no leaks. However, just to be on the safe side, I'd rather do it, because I'd rather put this on there to fix it, seal any leaks, any small chances of leaks, because once I put the floor in, I don't have to tear that floor back out. And once I put this on, which this will, I emailed the company, they said this will fill in small minor leaks. However, just to be on the safe side, I'm going to do both of it. Now, once I'm done with that, we are looking at paint. I'm going to paint the sides the interior, everything that I can paint, I'm going to paint with this Alumina Hawk gray paint for Jon Boats, pontoon boats, stuff like that. I'm going to paint everything I can, protect it, seal it, and then I'll start putting it back together with the floor and so forth to kind of protect it from any corrosion or anything like that. Anyway, this is a quick video. Just want to show you what I'm planning on doing, give you a rundown of all the products. And yes, it was a little bit expensive on some of it. However, this is going to be a flounder boat that I'm going to be out in the marsh by myself most of the sometimes, and I'd rather have it done right and not have to be bailing water all the time, which later on I will be putting in a bilge bait live tank aerator, some electronics on there, but right now I'm going to try to fix it right. My only other problem is I'm still looking for a trailer, but I've still got a long ways to go. Anyway, this is definitely recommended. And this right here, side note, there are some other products out there that will work. One was Gator Glide, one was I can't remember the other one. I remember Gator Glide, but anyway, this Steel Flex is not the Slick Flex, which after reading about it, I wish I'd got the Slick Flex and not the Steel Flex. Slick Flex would have been easier for me to get off the trailer, would have slid better, but my first intention was I'm going to be hitting sand, oyster rocks, maybe marshes, run up into the grass a little bit, anchors. So anyway, this is what I got, this is what I bought, this is what I'm going to use. Later.